Today I'm going to show you how you can add text in Streamlabs OBS. So all you have to do is open your Streamlabs apps and you can click the sources here and you can click text. Sorry, you can click this. So you can enter the name, sample text for example, and add source. So you can add text from here. So you can, for example, sample, you can choose the font, for example, here, the font style. So if you think you are done, you can click this done button. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the